guys, good morning. Today is Sunday and the best Indian lamb chop recipe is in front of you right now. You must try. Coming to the recipe, and in the step 1, take 25 peppercorns and 6 cloves and 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1 cardamom and a 4 centimeter length cinnamon paste. Everything grind together to make a powder. Then keep this powder aside. Hello guys, coming to the step 2. In here we take the half tablespoon of the herbs mixture we just made now, and then half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of chili powder and half tablespoon of coriander powder. Also add half teaspoon salt and sprinkle with some sunflower oil to make a loose masala paste. Guys, in step 3 we heat a iron skillet and sprinkle some sunflower oil right at the bottom of the pan, and then we can place each lamb chops coated with this masala paste and place them on the heated pan. The pan is maintained in a right temperature, that is medium to high, and each side of the lamb chops cook for 7 minutes. 7 minutes on one side and 7 minutes on the other side, and a final touch of 2 minutes added at the end on the after flipping. Okay, when the lamb chops are 4 minutes cooked on one side, you can start adding 4 to 5 shallot onions, 1 tablespoon of ginger and 4 to 5 garlic chopped. Curry leaves, 8 to 10 pieces of curry leaves also can be added for a nice taste. One side of the lamb chops are now cooked for 7 minutes, and now I am flipping to other side and I'm going to cook that another 7 minutes on the other side. Sprinkles 1/4 teaspoon of salt onto the onions. chops are cooked on the other side on 7 minutes. Now the flipping time comes, another touch of 2 minutes on the other side. These lamb chops are best served with rice, I can promise. Once the lamb chops are cooked, when you touch, you can feel that that's firm and soft and firm. I would say soft and firm, not too soft. You can feel that by touching. Hope you guys will enjoy this recipe. You can add some capsicum, couple of minutes fried in the same oil, and that also will be best served with this recipe.